Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I explain how to install security alarm system the car. So let's follow me how to I show you first. This is a new one. This is for a speaker, alarm speaker, and this the cable. This is manual, and this have one more remote, but it's right now, so I won't keep it in my shop. And like this too, okay, remote. Okay. So first, how to fix this? This one is manual, and I open this cable, and say this one is the diagram how to fix. If it's because it's not all alarm module is not same, different. So there must be have all the alarm system with the diagram. So if you don't know to follow this diagram, easy to find. Okay, and how to install, I will fix in the car, and I will show you how to find the cable, signal, alarm, and contact, and all the cable line. Explain. Okay, this one is cable wire. This is for light, alarm light, and this one is fixing. This one is here. Okay, putting this one, and this one is manual cable. You can see this is like this. Okay, this is one cable. This cable coming this out. Okay, this all cable going to central lock. Okay, everything here. Okay, so after this you have black one and red one. Black one is body, red one is plus battery terminal, and this one is red, and black is for behind trunk, the trunk. Okay, and then this pink color for siren, yeah, this one is siren. Okay, pink colors, and this have two wire. One is red, using for fixing here, and this cable is going, this is body. Okay, like this is siren. Okay, after pink color, these two color for signal indicator wiring, and plus two cable point, and this one. After that, this is going for this is alarm lamp within dashboard. Okay, it's going to dashboard, and this one is going to contact. Okay, red one is going this one using for engine low power return. Okay, and this one is going to for side door. Okay, and next cable also side door light. Okay, it's a blue one. Okay, and now it's yellow is going to engine no power return. Okay, for no power return, and white using for contact AC join wire. Okay, and this orange, one is going to brake switch. Okay. This cable from here. Okay, this 12-volt cable is coming here, and I have to check this cable with this pin. Okay, I put to check this pin put here, and push pedal brake. And see, I push pedal brake on, off. Okay, this one is orange color, it's yellow. Okay, so I will explain now again one time more. Okay, I I explain now. This start from here. This 6 cable for central lock. Okay, I using white and black and white. Okay, 2 cable using for current. Okay, on directly, and 2 use cable using for yellow and black and yellow 2 cable. So these 2 cable from here, yellow is going to body. Okay, and this one I put from this switch. Okay, already tested. Okay, after this, second, this one is body wire plus minus, sorry, minus this one, and the red is on cable. This red one for standby. This is already have fuse. I'll show you. This one is also on. Okay, and we'll show. Okay, this one I bring. You can bring anywhere standby clamp, even you if you not easy to find, you can borrow from there. This one I here bring. This is on cable from here. Okay, this one. Okay, and this one is using for alarm, pink color siren. Okay, and these 2 cable find from the air signal. Color is green. One is green, one is green and white. Okay, these 2 colors. I using chocolate color from bedroom. Okay, after this one using for trunk. This is a side door light. Okay, side door light button is here. You can find this one is here. This is button. It's directly cable. This cable. Okay, I bring here this cable, and then after that this one is more contact. No need to use this one because they make error. Because notice in original one medium to make error. And this orange going to this cable is from here. Okay, switch. Can you see here? I show you how to check. You don't need to check. So please, I will show you. After that is white color, and this white color going to assess it. I find from here. This cable is assess it. Okay, I found from here. How to check assess it if you find from here? Okay, I will show you assess it. This is assess it. Okay, you put the key and put in assess position. Okay, your assist position. Okay, and then your test pin you're using holding anywhere, and then you come here. Assist is full. Okay, I off key this. You can see. This is assist. Okay. Finally, this all cable I prepare from this one. This is metal. This one can you see here? This cable is fitting here, and this wire is here. This is here. This iron cable is 2 pin on this side. Okay. This iron cable, iron pitch here from this location. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see the contact. Now you can see. So when you are sitting, this is position like this is on. For example, I do lock, for example, on the key. Okay, start the car and push the pedal like this. Okay, I show you again. Close car, condition on, and when on start the car, I start the car. Okay, this is the brake pedal. I show you together both sides. You can see this one and this one. When I push brake pedal like this, you can see this automatic lock. And when I off the engine, this central lock automatically open. You can see this is on. That means it's okay. And now And there is I not fix a new one. This is original one alarm system. I show you when I fix. This is this cable I pull side it. Okay. And then on the door, on cable. This is iron light. This is all cable I prepare. Now I fix this location inside. Okay. I fix my motion. You fix going this side like this and put in here. This is empty place. Now I fix in here and put it inside. Not here. Put the inside here. Okay. Okay. I fix this one. I remove the sticker. Okay. And put in here. You can see. Unlock. Okay. This is lock. This is unlock. This, for example, your door is left open, and then this luminous must be open the light.